everyone. Wishing everyone a very happy 2020. It's a new decade, new aspirations in India, and definitely the innovation index in India is going to rise in days to come. That's my wish for India right now. Coming back to an important topic which I would like to discuss is freedom to operate search. What is freedom to operate search in terms of patenting, and why one needs to understand the freedom to operate search when executing or launching a product in India, and especially if it's an innovation which is protected by a patent. And as a competitor, if you want to launch a product in India, you need to get a service or you need to get an opinion on freedom to operate search.